students, let's discuss the question. In this question, we have to show that the relation R defined in the set A of all the polygons as R is equals to P1, PQ such that, it's P2, such that P1 and P2 has similar number of sides is an equivalent relation. And what is the set of all elements in A related to the right angle triangle T with sides 3, 4 and 5. So basically here we are given the relation R where P1, P2 such that P1 and P2 have same number of sides. So from here we have to check the equivalence of the relation. In order to check the equivalence, we have to check the reflexive, symmetric and transitivity of the relation. Let's start with the reflexive. The condition for the reflexivity is that if P1, P1 belongs to R, then we can say that the relation is reflexive, otherwise it is not. So we can say that P1 and P1, here P1 is representing the polygon, P1 and P1 is same polygon, it is the same polygon. So we can say that the number of sides must be same. Number of sides must be same. P1 and P1 is same polygon, and if it is the same polygon, then the number of sides are same, which is satisfying our relation. So we can say that P1, P1 belongs to R. Then we can say that this is a reflexive relation. Now we are going to check the symmetry of this relation. So we are going to check the symmetry of this relation. The condition for the symmetry is that if P1, P2 belongs to R, then P2, P1 must belongs to R. And here our relation is that P1 and P2 are the polygons having same side. So we can say that if the sides of P1 is equals to the sides of P2, if the sides of P1 is equals to the side of P2, this from here implies that the sides of P2 must be equals to the sides of P1. Sides of P2 must be equals to the sides of P1. Look, if we are having a polygon having 5 sides and the another polygon is equals to that previous polygon in number of sides, so we can say that both the polygons have same side. So we can say that the polygon 2 also equals to the polygon 1. So we can say that the P1, P2 belongs to R and P2, P1 belongs to R. Hence we can say that this is a symmetric relation, and symmetry is there. Now we are checking its transitive, whether the relation is transitive or not. So the condition for the transitivity is that if P1, P2 belongs to R, P2, P3 belongs to R, and then we can say that P1, P3 belongs to R. If this condition is applicable in this relation, then we can say that the relation is transitive, otherwise it is not. Basically the relation is representing the if P1 and P2 belongs to R, which means the side of polygon P1 is equals to the side of polygon P2. So we can say that the sides of P1, number of sides of P1 is equals to the number of sides of P2. In the same way, the number of sides of P2 is equals to the number of sides of P3. Let's discuss this with the example. If P1 has 4 sides and the number of sides of P1 is equals to the number of sides of P2, that means the P2 is also have 4 sides. Now the second condition is that the number of sides of P2 is equals to the number of sides of P3, which means P2 has 4 sides, so P3 must have 4 sides, and P1 has 4 sides, P2 has 4 sides, and P3 has 4 sides. Then we can say that the number of sides of P1 is also equals to the number of sides of P3. So all the conditions are satisfied here, that is P1, P2 belongs to R, P2, P3 belongs to R. Then we can say that P1, P3 belongs to R. So we can say that this is a transitive relation and all the condition of equivalence is satisfied. So we can say that this is a equivalent relation. Now in the next, we are given that we are having a triangle, let's say T, and having the sides which are 3, 4, and 5. So we have to determine what is the set of all the elements in A related to the right angle triangle with the sides 3, 4, and 5. So basically our relation is R such that P1 and comma P2, sorry, R is equals to P1 comma P2 such that P1 and P2 have same number of sides, have same number of sides, have same number of sides. Here we are considering, according to the condition we are considering, that is P1 is equals to T. If P1 is equals to T, so we can say that T comma P2 have same number of sides according to the relation, have same number of sides. So and we know that T has three sides which are 3, 4, and 5. So if T and P2 has same number of sides, so we can say that P2 have three sides, P2 to have three sides. So we can say that if P2 has three sides and we know that any figure which is having three sides is considered as a triangle, so we can say that P2 is set of all the triangles. So P2 is set of all the triangles. So we can say that the set of all the elements in A related to triangle T is set of all the triangles. So this is the answer to given question. So students, in order to solve this problem, we use the basic concept of relations and functions. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.